animals. Do you know the farm animals, the sound they make, and their most favorite diet? Let's learn together. Cow. Cow stays small. Cow loves grass and hay. Sheep. Sheep says bad. Sheep loves grass and clover. Goat. Goat says bleat. Goat loves leaves and grass. Chomp. Chicken. Chicken says cluck. Chicken loves insects and grains. Duck. Duck says quack. Duck loves aquatic insects. Horse. Horse says neigh. Horse loves carrots. Donkey. Donkey says hee-haw. Donkey loves carrot and apple. Yum! Cat. Cat says meow. Cat loves fish and chicken. Dog. Dog says woof. Dog loves meat and treats. Rabbit. Rabbit says squeak. Rabbit loves hay and leafy greens. Llama. Llama says humming. Llama loves grass and hay. Rooster. Rooster says cock-a-doodle-doo. Rooster loves grains and insects. Now, let's recall all the farm animals. Cow. Sheep. Goat. Chicken. Duck. Horse. Donkey. Cat. Dog. Rabbit. Llama. Rooster.